I'm going to the mall for groceries. Kitten, look after the house and sister, okay?
Okay, Mom. I'll take care of sister.
Kitten is very naughty and mischievous, destroying everything at home. Sister Cat cleaned the whole house again. Sister Cat is very obedient.
This is really tasty. You are messing up the whole house. How many times do I have to fix it?
All of a sudden, Kitten's hand slipped, and the drink glass fell. Oh no, Sister Cat has started cleaning the whole house again. Sister figured the vacuum cleaner would clean faster, so she started using it.
Oh no! Sister got stuck in the vacuum cleaner. What should I do now? Hello, Mom. Please come home. Sister is hurt, and I don't know what to do.
Got it. I'm coming now.
Mom, I'm sorry. This happened because of me.
There's no danger now. Your sister is okay.
Sorry, sister. I didn't take care of you. It's okay, brother.